Good afternoon, this is Trish from Networks Computers here again, and we're back looking at our little website we've been creating. So far we have got our pages installed and our menu, our logo up here in the top left. So what we're going to do today is to remove this breadcrumb for the pages here, and we're also going to install a plugin called Elementor. So I'll go back to my dashboard. And as you can see, Elementor is a required plugin for the Flux theme that we're using. I can either click this install button here, or I can show you where to look for it in the plugin shop. So down to plugins and then add new. And all the themes that are available, not themes, plugins that are available from the store. So most of them here are free. So we'll just do a search for Elementor. And here it is on our left hand side. Well, I'm not going to worry about the essential add-ons and the rest for now. I just want the basic page builder. So click on install. Okay, so it's taken a little while to install, but now that it has installed, we can activate the plugin. So click on the blue activate button, and that may take a little while. Okay, so we are back looking at our list of plugins, and we can see that Elementor, this is the free basic version, has been installed. So let's go back now to our home page, and we'll turn off that home setting. So I'm going to go to pages, all pages, down to where it says home front page. Now if I just left click on that, it will let me edit it in the new editor. So this is what the default Gutenberg editor that comes with WordPress looks like. Last time we made our page up, we have not got any content on here at the moment. What I want to do is I want to remove this home title. Now if I just delete that, it will change, it will not let me post it, it'll change the name of the page. So I want to use it with the theme. So I'm going to come down here to the page layout. And I want to go to where it says title bar setting. And it says display title bar section, and it's set to theme default. So I want to turn that off. So come down to the arrow and click on no. Okay, now we're going to arrange this page using Elementor. So I'm going to click on the edit with Elementor button.